What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming to you guys with a video. Alright, right now we're using the Canon T5 Rebel, whatever, blah blah blah. Alright, let's go check out what we got. So we got a bumper build going on. I'll show you the truck. This is the truck. Got the bumper going. We're gonna do a rear bumper and a front bumper. Alright, about time you see this. This is just an update to show you what everything I got. So there's the truck. We got that's gonna be the front bumper. We're gonna put the front bumper right there. That's gonna be the front bumper. And this truck, we're gonna do a walk around. Yeah. This is my 2-wheel drive C10 85 Chevy pickup. And yeah, there's the shop. There's the welding machine shop. So yeah, there's the shop. We're about to go take a round. Let's go take a peek at what we got next to go. All right. So quick update. Got the metal. Got the D-rings. This is my other welding trailer right there. That is in progress. Whatever. You know, for a welding machine. Got a few things. There's my puppies over there. And oh, it's flooded out over here. So here's the steel. It's 3/16. So it's a little lightweight and whatnot. 3/16 on my blue trim feet, 6x10. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Welding Machine coming to you guys with a video. Right now, video is going to be talking about a few things. We're going to go over a few things. Yes, we do have the bumper build coming up. I'd like to show you guys the D-rings right here. You know, link in the description. I'm not sponsored, but anything I buy, you know, I'll put the link in the description. It's 47,000 pounds. Bam. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Welding Machine coming to you guys with a video. This is an update video about the projects coming to you guys soon. The bumper build, keep an eye out for that. That should be happening sometime around Christmas break. Bumper build, we got a, also keep an eye out for TIG welding pipe, also stick welding pipe. I think it's 4.5, yeah, from in 4.5 inch pipe, scheduled 40, 1/4 inch thick. Be on the lookout for that. Let's see. Okay, got bumper build. That's the most prioritized, is the bumper build. That's coming up soon. It's already December, starting to get cold out in North Carolina. Then it's the pipe welding video, and then a couple other videos. I might do like tips on how to start a business and other videos like that, you know, in the future, you know. I'm probably gonna do a double upload. Alright. But yeah, keep an eye out for those videos. You know, we got the D-rings, we got the lights, we gotta get the other light, and we got the steel. We got everything. We even got the 1/2 inch plate down. Got these from work. This is the plates for the bumper mounts. It's gonna be 1/2 inch thick. I'm gonna use the drill. I'm gonna torch cut it to make it look nice and fancy and whatnot. You guys keep an eye out for that.